y'all? Random little video, but we're finna do a little update on the trucks and what we've done to them recently. Let's get a little update going. So here we got the 2 trucks posted. Recently, we've done a lot of stuff to this truck for sure. I've done wheels, a hood, front end, basically this whole thing built. This one, we've actually done a new front bumper, a lot of new stuff. It looks really clean right now. And today what we're actually gonna do, I want to add something new. I've done a lot of stuff to the interior too. I want to mention that. I'll show it later, but what I really wanted to do was wrap this new HD hood I got. I'm HD swapping it soon, but stuff happened, and all we can do right now is just wrap this so it's not just primer. But
we're looking a little tired right now. It's because we just got done wrapping one of my boys' Camaro. Some SS Camaro. It looks fucking sick as fuck, not even lie. And today, well, later on from the day, we're gonna be wrapping this Seca Stoca.
Basically, we just gotta get that done. We're gonna show the process, I guess, show little parts of what we're doing, but we're gonna see if it comes out sick. If it doesn't, then we are cooked. This is the wrap we got right here. It's a nice little matte black wrap. It's just to, for now, honestly, it's just to make it not look so Lego truck. I don't know.
It's the biggest piece of dog shit.
I just don't want it to look ugly, so I'm gonna just wrap it black, see if that can make it look a little better for now. It's mostly just primer. I sanded it down, a lot of Bondo. That's the way I bought it. But I'll show y'all. I guess I'm not showing anything. Let's get to wrapping. So here we're setting up the wrap. I say we, but it's really just him. I'm gonna be helping at some point. Yeah, this is just for you guys to look at. All right, I'm gonna help him out now because he's kind of straight. So currently, this is where we are at. I've sent my boy down for some food right there, but here's where we're at. Looking good, coming out. Looking good. It's black. It's gonna look sick. Gonna look sick. Almost done getting done on this half, and then we're gonna start on this half, which is still not stuck down yet. Now would probably be a good time to show you guys the interior too. Right now, recently for interior, what I've added is I put in a new center console. Put in a new center console. I did the doubled in dash or whatever. Added a lot of stuff. Some lights up here. Let me see if you can see these. Had these for a while, but now they match a lot of other stuff that I got. I changed the cluster, stuff like that. But yeah, truck's looking sick. So it's getting late, you know. It's about 12:11 right now, but we did finish up with some minor inconveniences.
We did have a little bit of trouble, not gonna lie. For the fact that it's pretty rounded and it's not that easy to like go with paper, you know. But
all right then, guys. So in the end, we did get it finished. Took a little bit of work, took a little bit of effort, but we did get it done with some minor inconveniences. I'm not gonna lie.
no.
We got my boy finishing up.
Hell yeah, we're finishing the corners and shit. But the first time, don't be scared, don't be afraid. We're not all perfect, you know. We all try our best to do the best we can. So le echa las ganas, como puedas, you know.
All right, well, here's the hood on the truck. I'm not sure if you can really see it. We just wrapped it black. It's like a matte black. I'm saying it's just for now. Honestly, I'm just trying to wait till I can get the HD grill and bumper. I just felt like recording it, man. Did have some troubles right here. Not sure if you can really see it. There you go. Did have some wrinkles. Couple more that was just like, this is just part of the body, or like itself. It is like a matte black, like not matte black. It is like a pearl matte black. You can see it right here. It's like, it turns into like a white speckle almost on camera. Looks pretty sick. Got some wrinkles down here, more down here. But other than that, you know, you step away like a couple 5 feet You don't even notice for real. So I think we did a pretty good job.
Not gonna lie, we look at our jalecillo, you know. We did a good rap for beginners, not gonna lie. Big shout out for Vinyl Frog for making some good ass quality of rap, not gonna lie.
I mean, any issues we had was probably just because we messed it up, but
And shout out to my boy que se lo dio a mi compa, not gonna lie. Shout out to my boy Caesar.
Shout out my boy Caesar. We'll put a video of him up doing some crazy shit. Who knows what we'll put
Me.
up. All right then, guys. Well, that's about it. That's all we could do on the truck. Thank y'all for watching. We're gonna do some more vids soon. You know, we've been trying to get some out, but it's been hard. You know, we haven't been able to do much stuff to the trucks. It's hard to. You know, we don't got infinite money glitch. You know?
Oh shit. Here we go again.
But yeah, thank you guys. Thank y'all for watching. You know, we're gonna try to get more videos out. It's been hard, but you know, new videos coming out soon with his truck too. We got stuff to do.
A bunch.
A lot of stuff coming soon. This is just for now. Obviously, I'm gonna color match it soon. I'm gonna do obviously like a whole bunch of other stuff, but yeah, should be it.